I've been under the weather with a runny nose that turned into a serious cough. Over the weekend, I decided to take some cough syrup to feel better. I took it in the morning, and 30 minutes later, I felt empty and went to bed. I thought it was the illness that made me drowsy, but after waking up and taking another dose, I fell asleep on the couch for several hours. When I woke up, my cough was gone, and I felt all right for the first time that week. While cleaning the house, I noticed the dosage instructions on the syrup bottle: 10 ml every 4 hours. I realized I had been using the wrong cap and took 30 ml doses instead. No wonder I slept like a brick the whole day. At least I'm all better now.